Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, thank you for joining us today. We dive deep into the best products, and today we're reviewing something a little different: Jonathan Green Black Beauty Ultra Grass Seed, a solution for your lawn that promises rapid growth and lush greenery. Whether you're looking to establish a new lawn or repair a patchy one, this product is designed to get your grass looking healthier and greener in no time. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. Black Beauty Ultra Grass Seed is a mix specifically designed to tackle the challenges of creating and maintaining a vibrant lawn. This blend features tall fescues, Kentucky bluegrass, and perennial ryegrass, making it suitable for a variety of climates and conditions. The product claims to germinate quickly, filling in bare spots and helping establish new lawns in no time. With its unique moisture-retaining properties and deep-rooted growth, this grass seed is built to thrive even in areas that experience high traffic or dry spells. The 50-pound bag covers up to 10,000 square feet for new lawns and up to 20,000 square feet for overseeding, with germination happening between 7 to 14 days. Ideal planting times are from mid-August to mid-October or mid-March through mid-May. When I tested this grass seed, I applied it to a few bare spots in my yard and also tried it on a section that was suffering from heavy foot traffic. The setup process was straightforward. Just spread the seed, water regularly, and wait for the magic to happen. The seeds began to show signs of life in about 10 days, and within 2 weeks, the difference was noticeable. The grass was lush, even, and a rich dark green. The moisture-retaining abilities of the grass impressed me. Even during a dry spell, the newly seeded areas showed less browning compared to untreated spots. However, it's not without its drawbacks. While the grass grew quickly and established itself well, I did notice a slight unevenness in texture, particularly where the soil was already compacted. It seems like the seed thrives best in soil that's been properly prepared, and if you have clay-heavy ground, you might need additional amendments to optimize the germination process. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, Black Beauty Ultra Grass Seed is definitely a strong performer when it comes to rapid germination and moisture retention. It creates a dense, lush lawn with a deep green hue that's hard to beat. The seeds are hardy and stand up well to moderate foot traffic. Plus, the coverage per bag is generous. One bag can handle a large area, which is great for anyone trying to cover more ground. On the flip side, it does have its limitations, especially in less than ideal soil. If your ground isn't properly prepared, you might face slower results or uneven growth. Additionally, while it's tolerant of partial shade, it thrives best in full sun, so it may not be the best choice for deeply shaded yards. When it comes to value for money, this product offers solid performance, but it's not exactly the cheapest option out there. That said, considering how well it works, especially in tough conditions, it's a reasonable investment if you want a thick, dark green lawn. There are certainly cheaper grass seed mixes, but many of them don't offer the same quality or quick results. In comparison to other brands, Black Beauty Ultra stands out because of its unique blend of grasses and its moisture-retaining qualities. It's also more effective at standing up to foot traffic than many other seeds. On the other hand, some other brands might offer better results for shaded lawns or work better in more compact, clay-heavy soils. The choice really depends on the specific needs of your lawn. When it comes to build quality, we're really talking about the quality of the seed itself, and this product does not disappoint. The seeds seem to be of excellent quality, showing uniformity and consistency across the bag. There's no noticeable variation in seed size or appearance, which is always a good sign that the product is carefully formulated. As for longevity, this product holds up well as long as you maintain proper lawn care practices. Customer support isn't something I had to interact with, but Jonathan Green has a solid reputation for offering guidance on proper seeding practices, so you can expect helpful resources if you need them. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are plenty of options, though they may not offer the same moisture retention or traffic tolerance. Brands like Scott's and Pennington offer grass seeds, though they may not provide the same dense, dark green results or ability to handle drought conditions as well. To wrap it up, Black Beauty Ultra Grass Seed lives up to its claims of fast germination and dark, dense turf. While it excels in some areas, like moisture retention and traffic tolerance, it's not the best option if your soil is less than ideal. If you're willing to put in the prep work, this product can deliver impressive results. If you're in the market for a robust grass seed mix that can handle tough conditions, this might be the one for you. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other lawn care enthusiasts can find this video too. Thank you for watching here on Beautyistic. If you have any questions or thoughts about the product, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences or any tips you have for getting the best lawn. Goodbye till next time, and may your grass always be greener on your side.